It's wet! Suck it, man! Rocket man! For you! We are now gonna go looking for places that just look interesting to walk around. We are now we just walked through a park that we've been wanting to go to for the whole week, and it's just a circle. It's like nothing interesting. Not anything bad to say to the 37-year running mayor. You make a good park, but I was expecting more park from my park.
We'll put some drone footage in there when it's dry.
When it's dry, we'll cut to this.
Alright, how's that frame, Kyle? Of me?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Hey, I'm a beautiful frame. Am I overexposed?
You look wonderful, actually.
Yay! Okay, so we're going in a direction because the park doesn't work. Let's go to a place.
Let's go. Okay, we are now on a bridge. A bridge looking out onto
Pretty town. That's actually pretty beautiful. This is the house. This is the house where I want to live. Right, Kayden?
Radio, man, radio. Terra dorme-vous, pinga panga pang pang, pinga. Hi, Kyllian here. Today we are on the site of the famous St. Paul Church, located directly behind me. Not much is known about this church, but what is known is that it's a church. Many have speculated when this church was built. The most common state of belief is that it was built in the late 2000s. 2001, 2002 by a French BMW owner named Regat Megru, or in English, Rich Mr. Kalgat. And this church it's quite beautiful on the inside, but no one knows because they've only built the outside. And it is currently closed right now. It made a bzzz sound because this church only operates from Mondays to Saturdays. Takes off Sundays like the good Lord. And yeah, that's all I can say about this church for now. But I'll keep you updated on next history fun facts with Tall Man.
Okay, go scare that bird.
Oh, what?
Don't walk in front of me.
So this sign over here I thought it said no dogs, but in actual fact it says please do not decapitate dogs at this park. Here's a machete and here's a severed dog's head. No cutting of dog's heads in this park. By this gate, yes, but not in there.
Yeah, this is my life now because there's only one camera. So like, if I want to get cool shots of Kyllian walking, I can't be in them as well. Unless I do have the Joby. I don't want to put it on because then I have to walk back. And then it's that thing that you've seen in 100 like vlogs.
Wait. Wait, oh, you're telling me wait.
Yeah, but now you need to go.
I think the camera's on.
Ken.
We're gonna eat some good food today. Pepperoni green pizza, biodegradable pizza. Oh. That was delicious. If you're ever in Cannes, come over to Green Pizza. That's a really tasty food. Agreed.
Here you go. Okay, rolling. Okay, but rolling. Okay. What's wrong, kid?
We've been walking since 11 o'clock this morning. It is now almost 2. I wish I could just, and plus like there's like a really sleepy audio background being played right now in the form of waves crashing on the beach, so I'm like just want to sleep right now. Like I am kaput.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
That's Italian.
Is it? Oui, oui.
That's better. Okay, so today we literally did nothing. No,
Yeah.
actually that's not true.
Today was such a mess up. So our plan was to come here to this restaurant which is around the corner.
I don't actually know what it's called.
It's called Best Food.
Trendy food. It's called
Trendy
trendy
food.
food. Yeah.
So we were supposed to come here, which is literally like 2 minutes from our apartment.
Like around the corner.
Yeah, to have breakfast and then buy stuff to do washing, like washing.
Yeah, like
things,
laundry.
Laundry things.
Yeah.
Okay. But this place was closed.
I mean, the door was open, but they told us that they were closed.
Yeah.
So,
And this was at like 2.
yeah, this is that too.
And then they told us we could only come back at 7.
Yes.
So then we had to like look for a restaurant, but we ended up constantly not wanting to go to the restaurant.
No, but okay, but hold on. So we walked down the street, right, which is the street on its way to the festival.
Yeah, which is like a 30-minute walk to the festival.
Yeah. Roundabout. So, but Kyllian left his bus pass at home, so he was just like, let's walk and we'll go to the first restaurant that's open.
Yes. And then that was
And then the
closed.
first restaurant that was open was like basically by the train station, which is basically by the festival.
So we said, okay, let's go get some KFC. And then we walked to the KFC, and on the way to the KFC we were like, actually let's get some Italian food that we've been smelling down the road. And eventually we just ended up back at the festival without our badges and like 30 minutes away, which means that we had to like spend the whole day basically at the festival with none of our stuff that we needed. Like I didn't have my bus pass, I didn't have my festival thing. And so basically we ate a very expensive food that side. This place we want to go to because like 20 euros for like 2 people.
2 meals.
There we paid about like more than that. And then we were like, damn. So then eventually we just ended up buying all the grocery stuff that side and coming back. And
Yeah, so then by the time we got back, it was like 4.
yeah.
So this like 30-minute excursion became a 2-hour
Yeah.
trip. So anyways, now, why are my lips so pink? Do you see that?
Look how beautiful is my skin. I love this. I look
Is that like a
mahogany.
filter on or something?
Yeah, I like it. Leave it on.
Anyways, so now it's like past 7. Kyllian did laundry for the first time ever.
Laundry is amazing. I'm gonna become a maid from now on because like it's so soothing. Even though I just put it in the washing machine.
He literally put the clothes in the washing machine, put the little soap pod in the washing machine, pressed the button, and then he took it out when it was done, and he's convinced it's the best thing ever.
The hanging part, the washing smelled like it was washed. It was so cool. I think I love washing now. And now we're gonna go, this is embarrassing, but now we're gonna go upstairs and Jaco's gonna teach me to iron. Stay updated to see if I make it, if I live through it.
Yeah.
Alright, see you later.